Hi guys, my name is Whitney. I'm a freshman resident here in Columbia Village, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do laundry. Now, before you skip this video, really think about it. Do you really know how to do laundry? And again, do you know how to do it in a college setting? Because it's kind of weird. And I'm going to take you through and show you how to do it because, believe me, it took me a hot minute to figure that out. But that's okay because I'm here to show you how to do it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're obviously going to put your clothes in the washer, and then you're going to close it. And then you're going to open this compartment. It says Maytag Commercial on it. This is where you're going to put all of your detergent and fabric softener. So what I do first is I open this up and I pour just the right amount because they have little lines in there that say like 1, 2, and 3. So you put as much in as you need depending on how big your load is. I usually go up to like the 2 line because I usually do pretty big loads. So you're going to put your detergent in this first compartment on the left. And then your fabric softener goes right to the right of it. So I do a little bit of the fabric softener, not too much, just because it kind of helps the clothes smell good. And something else I like to put in my laundry too, which also helps it smell good, is this little beads things. They smell really good. So I pour a little bit of those in there too. And that gets you started. Now I'm going to take you over to the... Alright, so whenever you go and put your clothes in the washer, you have to remember what number machine you did. And that always shows like on top of one of these machines where it has like the quarters. So since I use machine number 3, I'm going to swipe my card. And then it asks me for what machine I'm using, so I'm going to click 3 and enter. After that, it'll like display a little message saying number 3 selected. And then you have to wait for it to say like how much it is. And you wait a little bit longer, and you press enter to start, and then you go back over to your machine, and it starts. So then after it's run everything over there, it like starts running over here, and then you see the amount start going down from 175 all the way down to 0, and the screen kind of goes blank, and it says select cycle. So what you're going to do after that is you're going to select normal, which is the middle button, and then you press start. And that starts your laundry. So something else you can do, like if you don't want to like sit here and watch your laundry for the full 28-minute cycle, which I know very well now, you can do this thing, and it's called Laundry View Mobile. I don't personally do it, but a lot of students do because they don't want to have to remember the exact amount of time it takes and when they need to come back, when they need to do it. So this handy little app, it tells you when your machine is done and when you need to come pick up your clothes and transfer them into the dryer, or when you want to go hang them up, whatever you need to do. Alright, so after your clothes are done in the washer, you're going to make your way over here and you're going to transfer them over into the dryers. I personally really like to use these washers that are on this side, so that way I don't have to carry my clothes a lot further over, possibly losing a sock or any other article of clothing. But whenever you're using the dryers, it's going to be the same process over whenever you pay to swipe your card. It's going to be the same thing over there, but it's going to be a different machine number. And something that you need to remember about using the dryers is that there's 2, one on top, one on bottom. So whenever you're entering in like which cycle you're going to do, you always have to remember the upper dryer uses the top row of buttons and the bottom dryer uses the bottom row of buttons. So don't mess that up because, yeah, that'd be bad.